Welcome to A-Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover Gmail password without phone number. Whether your account was hacked or you've lost your phone, this method will recover your Google account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the Google app, press and hold the icon, then tap App Info. Go to Permissions, then Location and select Don't Allow. And press Don't Allow anyway again. Repeat the same steps for Google Chrome, long press Chrome, then App Info, and then Permissions, here select Location and click Don't Allow. And tap Don't Allow anyway again. Now go back to Chrome's App Info, scroll down, tap on Open by Default, and then select Clear Defaults. Next, open the Google Play Store and download the Midori browser. Once installed, open the app, scroll down, and tap on Start Browsing. Then navigate to google.com and tap on Sign In. Enter the Gmail address you're trying to recover and tap Next. When prompted for the password, tap on Forgot Password. If you're asked for two-step verification but no longer have your phone, tap Try Another Way. If you receive an error saying, Could not sign you in, do not tap Try Again. This may lead to your account being locked. Instead, minimize the window. Now go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Google. At the top right, tap the three dots and select Help. Scroll to the bottom and tap Search Help, then type Disabled Account. When the suggested options appear, scroll down and tap Valid Legal Requests. Then tap on Submit a Legal Request, which will open a support page. On the pop-up that appears, choose Midori browser. You'll be redirected to Google Support. Tap on Google Account, scroll down and select How to recover your Google account. You'll see multiple recovery options based on your situation. Forgot your password. Forgot the email address. Someone else is using your account. If your account was hacked, tap on Recover a hacked or hijacked Google account. Then scroll to If you can't sign in, go to the account recovery page and tap it. You'll now be on the account recovery page. Enter your Gmail address that you want to recover and tap Next. Here you will see Success option. Once verified, select Change Password, set a strong new password, confirm it, and tap Change Password. Finally, go to your account security settings and update your phone number and recovery email to ensure your account remains secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.